I request you to read this particular story along with me. The Lost Puppy. Riya is a little girl. She lives in a small house near a park. One morning, she hears a soft sound. Woof, woof. Riya opens the door and sees a small puppy. The puppy is brown and cute. It looks scared and hungry. Riya says, "Hello, little puppy. Are you lost?" The puppy wags its tail. Riya gives the puppy some milk. The puppy drinks it happily. Then Riya takes the puppy to the park to find its owner. In the park, an old man is looking around. He looks worried. Riya asks, "Sir, are you looking for a puppy?" The old man smiles and says, "Yes, his name is Coco." Riya shows him the puppy. The old man is very happy. He says, "Thank you, dear. You are very kind." Riya smiles. She feels happy too. The puppy barks softly as if saying thank you. Keep reading this particular story. Go back and again do read it once again. If you liked it, please don't forget to appreciate it by giving it a like.